jacket now. Boy, careful.
In the last video, we started our day by renting the Bullet first. Then we had a delicious breakfast at Babaji Cold Drinks in Mapusa. After that, we visited Basilica of Bom Jesus and Immaculate Conception Church. You can check out the video on the link above. इतना घूमने के बाद भी अभी हमारे पास आधा दिन और बचा हुआ था. Therefore, we decided to head towards the Aguada Fort. So guys, after the church, we have now reached to Aguada Fort and we have parked the bikes here and we'll be entering towards the fort. हाँ, but एक चीज़ fort enter करने से पहले we are having a bit of cucumber and what we are having, Bhumika?
Kacham.
Because we are feeling a bit tired, so having this first, then we'll enter the Aguada Fort. Aguada Fort में कुछ साल पहले तक एंट्री फ्री हुआ करती थी. But now you have to purchase a ticket to enter into the Aguada Fort. Here are our tickets. The ticket for Aguada Fort costs 25 rupees per person for Indian nationals and SAARC nationals. For other nationalities, foreigners, the ticket price is 300 per head. So let's get in now. So guys, Aguada Fort मैं पहले भी आ चुका हूँ. In 2019, 20 में तो गई नहीं गया. 19 I was here. The views from Aguada Fort are quite magnificent. Last time I wasn't vlogging my trip, so didn't shoot any videos. Though there are some photographs from the 2019 that I will show you. So guys, at entry point here is ticket checking. You have to present your tickets. So guys, this is the view from one side of the fort, the starting point. So Bhumika, you remember something?
So the last time I came here, there was a shooting happening. One of the movies by Mr. Prabhudeva. So yes, let's see. Maybe something might happen today also.
So Aguada Fort में the one thing that is here is this lighthouse. That is for navigation of the ships. यहाँ पे जो lighthouse है, ये fort के starting में नहीं बनाया गया था. It was constructed later in 1864 and is one of the oldest lighthouses in Asia. Aguada Fort was constructed in 1612 and is located on a hillock by the same name near Sinkarim Beach. This fort was constructed by Portuguese to guard against the Dutch and the Marathas. गुप्ता के साथ एक बहुत ही हैपनिंग इवेंट हुआ है.
My specs, my goggles.
गुप्ता ने अपने चश्मे खो दिए.
मैं उससे पैसे खर्च करके आई थी. दोबारा से लेंसेज डलवाए थे.
कितने पैसे गुप्ता? कितने पैसे?
200 रुपए.
200 रुपए की लड़की इतना रो रही है.
200 रुपए बहुत बड़े होते हैं. बहुत बड़े.
So guys, the last time when I was here in 2019, the crowd was pretty much more, like 5x of what is right now. And this fort is quite well maintained, though the lighthouse, as you can see, have a dull color right now, dull paint. 2019 when it came, it was sparkling white. So just that difference, rest all is same. This is a must visit fort if you have seen the movie Dil Chahta Hai. In Dil Chahta Hai, the fort used is Chapora Fort. But you can get same clicks like in here in Aguada Fort as well. Aguada Fort is a well-known tourist place in Goa and is famous for the spectacular views and nice spots to get your photographs clicked. So we also did not miss the chance. to get some good photographs. So guys, we are now getting off the Guada Fort. Let's see where we go. We might go to eat street food, or maybe we can eat crab or lobster something. Let's see. Continue. Fort से निकलने के बाद हमें सामने कोकम सोडा वाला मिला. We're gonna have kokum soda. This is I'm trying for the first time, and the reviews are pretty good. Let's try it out. कैसा लगा बात?
Yeah, nice, refreshing.
What about you?
Something different.
She is the one who let us drink. Yes.
I had this long time back in Lonavala, and there was another lady who was preparing this one.
We support.
But yeah, so I felt like having it again.
So this is better or that was?
Yeah, support.
Both
were good.
अग्वाडा फोर्ट पे ऑलमोस्ट 2 घंटे बिताने के बाद हम निकल पड़े कुछ बढ़िया खाने की तलाश में. मेन हमारा पर्पस था कुछ सी फूड खाने का, और हमारी ये तलाश ख़त्म हुई जाके फैट फिश गोवा पे.
So guys, right now we are at the Fat Fish Goa, basically at Arpura. I have been here before and the food is very delicious. We're gonna have crabs, fishes and probably lobster if available. We're gonna have that. Let's see, let's get inside the Fat Fish and check it out.
Fat fish, as the name suggests, it's famous for the seafood and is one of the best restaurants that are there in Goa. The seafood delicacies that they offer range from shrimps to squids, lobster to crabs. In short, they have got all the ocean's best on their platter.
Can you check it now? Oi, careful.
Thank you.
The ambience here is also pretty nice, and it offers you to have a peaceful time while having your delicious food. At Fat Fish Goa, we were lucky enough to get the drink Urak. Urak is a seasonal drink of Goa and is served only in the months of March to May. It is made by people in their Goan homes and is made of the cashew apple. This drink is usually served with limca, which adds a very tangy taste to the drink.
So guys, we ordered crabs, we ordered prawn, and we have also ordered kingfish curry, and all the things are really wonderful, guys. I mean, the taste is so good that I can come here any number of times. Many times I can come. If you are coming to Goa, do try the crabs at Fat Fish Goa, and obviously their fish as well. So check this place out when you come to Goa. So guys, हमारा last day गोवा में, day where you say just time to go back to airport, only that much time. So हमने गोवा में खूब enjoy किया. We made some new friends. We enjoyed with the old ones, and now it's time to leave Goa and go back to Delhi. अच्छा तो नहीं लग रहा जाते हुए, but क्या करें, जाना तो पड़ेगा. काम भी करना है. बस काम करेंगे, पैसा आएगा तभी तो घूमेंगे. So that's the thing, guys. Now leaving for airport and the end of Goa series. We'll see you in the new series soon. Punke, want to say something?
I'm just sad. I don't want to go back.
Okay guys, see you now. So guys, if you like my video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel Radkat Rana, and do comment what you feel. Also, turn on the notifications icon so whenever I release the video, you get the notification first, and share the video as much as you can.